everyone, welcome back. Today I have another exciting video for you. I really am excited to share with you my recent Sephora haul. So I picked up a bunch of Sephora beauty products over the past couple of months, both in-store and online. And that included items both from their holiday sale in addition to their after holiday sale. So I wanted to share with you some of my beauty picks. Just so you know, I did split this video up into beauty picks and separated them from my skincare and hair picks just so that each video is not too long. So if you can check out my companion video, which features my Sephora haul of skincare favorites, I'd really appreciate it. And a quick disclaimer, of course, I'm definitely not a beauty expert or guru by any means. I'm just a normal working mom who loves beauty. And I wanted to share with you some of my favorites and picks that I wanted to try out. Of course, I will let you know how these products work out for me. For the most part, I have not tried them out yet, so I'm excited to see how they work. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I wanted to show you here is not really a beauty product per se, but I'm not sure which category it would fit into, so I included it here. And that's my perfume that I picked out. So I picked out Twilly from Hermes. Just a beautiful box here. Every season I like to try to pick out a new fragrance just to change things up a little bit. Working in the clinic and the hospital, of course I'm not in favor of using too strong of a scent, but I think using a light fresh scent works best in the workplace. This is a little heavy for the workplace, so I may give it a try now and again, but I think it's just an adorable package. It's a great winter scent in my opinion, so I'm excited to use it now. It has a cute little twilly attached to it. I think perfect purse size. I think it's something that I'm really going to start enjoying, so I'm excited that this was my fragrance selection for this season. So the next thing I picked up is another beauty blender. So I love beauty blenders. I just picked up the original one here, although I've tried some of the other colors. You really can't go wrong with stocking up. My only face product I picked up this season was a refill of something I've tried before. It's the Hello Flawless powder by Benefit. I picked up the color I'm Cute as Bunny Honey. It's just very cute packaging. And here's the color. So I tend to use this more of kind of a touch-up powder during the day. I think the packaging is just adorable and really nice purse size. It has a really cute mirror attached to it, which comes in handy as well. So that tends to be what I use it for. I think it's really nice, mild coverage as well for me during the day. In terms of eye products, I was looking for a new eyeliner to try, and I heard a couple of good reviews on this Hourglass eyeliner. I wanted to see if it'll work out for me. I got just the black color. So black color, this line is called Obsidian. So that's the one I selected. I do just like a very simple black eyeliner for my upper line, and then the lower line I tend to use a little bit of a lighter color. But here's the packaging. So we'll see how that works. And then the other kind of eye kit I got was from Urban Decay. So this was an amazing value. I just picked this up on the after holiday sale. I don't believe this kit is actually available anymore, however the individual products are. So the only thing I've tried before is the all-nighter setting spray, which is amazing. I really use that as my primary setting spray currently, so I used to have a little backup. And it also has a couple of their other products, so their primer, their Perversion eyeliner, and their Perversion mascara, which I'm excited to try out. And the packaging is just adorable. I know Christmas and the holidays are over, but I just can't get over how cute this is. There's a little magnetized box there. And the only other eye product I picked up was the Sultry palette from Anastasia. And I know you've seen this many times on YouTube, and that's really how I kind of got interested in it, seeing the reviews that you all have made. I think it's just a beautiful palette. The packaging is gorgeous. I tend to like more neutral colors, especially wearing to work, as I mentioned. So I think this palette does meet those needs. And in addition, it has a lot of fun pops of color as well. So a lot of great neutrals that I can use on the daily, and then a couple of fun shimmers, couple of pops of color. So I'm really excited to try playing around with this. I have not dabbled into it yet, so I'm going to give it a try and let you know how it works out. The rest of my products really are lip products. I do not need any more lip products, like a lot of you as well. I just can't help myself. I just love playing around with them, so I picked up a couple of more. An essential for me is the Laneige lip mask. So again, this is a very popular product, I know. This is a refill for me. I love the original version. To me, it smells like bubblegum in a sense, or maybe a berry scent, which I actually really enjoy. It's very comfortable on the lips. I even apply it during the day as well. So I got a refill of this. And along with the lip balm type of products, I also got the Agave lip balm from Bite. So I have not tried this out yet, but it's gotten great reviews. And with the heater on and all during the winter, I think it's nice to moisturize your lips even more. So it's a cute little pill-like package and a cute little lip balm. So I'm gonna be tossing this into my purse right after this video. So I picked up one lip pencil. So I had to pick up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, another very popular product. To be honest, I don't really use lip pencils too often. I try to minimize my morning makeup routine if at all possible. And I find that I don't think I really needed it. However, I actually do think I need it. As I'm maturing, I think that lip pencils really will help the staying power of my lip products. It's a beautiful color right there. So I'm excited to use this, and we'll see how it goes. It's called the Lip Cheat. And along with that, I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, so lipstick. So I have tried this before and I really enjoyed it. I do like matte lipsticks, and the packaging is just so pretty to leave in your purse. So this is what it looks like. And of course, it's a beautiful nude color, a little bit of a mauve nude, I'd say, but my skin tone, I think it works pretty well. So I really enjoy wearing this, and for matte lipsticks, I think it's quite comfortable. And I'm hoping it'll pair nicely with the lip cheat that I just showed you. So I also picked up the Fenty Gloss Balm, and that's what I'm wearing on my lips now. I'm just wearing the Gloss Balm by itself for a real simple, easy look. I got the original version, Fenty Glow. I know two other versions have since come out that I probably will pick up soon, but this color is just stunning. So I wanted to try the original. So far I'm liking it. As I've heard in the reviews, it's really not sticky, and I agree. On my lips it's quite comfortable for a lip gloss. It feels very moisturizing, and I really, really enjoy the color. So I'm very happy with it so far. Another item kind of in the gloss category is this Marc Jacobs one that I picked up, the Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. I picked it up in the color Sugar Sugar, so a very neutral color. So it looks kind of like a lip gloss. However, this area is not actually gloss or the product. If you open it up, it looks more like a lipstick applicator. The thing to note about this is once you click it up to release some product, you can't click it back down. So just be a little careful on being heavy-handed when you click it up. I learned that the hard way previously, but I'll swatch this here for you. So this is one of the most moisturizing, smoothest products I have that go on. So it's right here, if you can see, really shimmery. The color is very neutral, but it's very, very smooth in terms of application. So I'm really excited to use this. So my next lip product is a YSL product. So it's the Rouge Volupte Shine Oil and Stick. So pardon my pronunciation, of course. So I wanted to try a YSL lip product for quite some time. I got it in number 47. I just love the packaging. And again, like all of you, I think I'm a sucker for packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you feel so fancy pulling it out of your bag. It's just beautiful. So again, it's my typical color, kind of a nudie, mauve-er type of color here. So I'll swatch it here for you. So it's a very moisturizing, it's right there, product as well. So just gorgeous. So I'm gonna add that to my collection. And the final set of lip products is the Pat McGrath little sample kit. So I've already opened it up to test some of these out, but I wanted to show you the packaging it comes in. really gorgeous. It actually comes with these sequins, as you can see in here, just kind of thrown in there, so really fun. This is the lipstick kit, and they just released their lip gloss trio as well in the small sizes, so something that I also would recommend checking out, although I haven't gotten to try those out yet. So this comes with 3 small lipsticks, and it's her matte trance line of lipsticks. And for those of you who haven't seen the packaging of the lipsticks, they're just gorgeous here. Look at the little lips on there. And really cute size for your bag. So the first one is Omi, O-M-I, I think it's pronounced. So I'll swatch that for you. So it looks like a kind of a pinkier nude here. So it's right there. And the pigmentation is just amazing. That was really just one swipe. So that's Omi. The next one I have here is $19.95. There you go. So another great nude shade. And that's the second one down here. So another gorgeous nude. I'd say maybe a little pinkier than the first one. And then the final one is called Flesh 3. I think this is the darkest of the 3. Let me swatch that down on the third line here for you. So again, just one swipe, what pigmentation, it's amazing. So that's probably the darkest, the brownish of the 3, but all really wearable nudes. Really highly pigmented, smooth applications. So I want to kind of give these a go for a bit, and I have no doubt that I'm going to be purchasing some full sizes of my favorites in a little bit. So that brings it to the end of my Sephora beauty haul. Again, mostly lip products, but a lot of fun items I'm going to try out as well. Again, if you have any suggestions of things you think I need to try, please let me know. I'd be really interested to hear about it, and I'll let you know, of course, my thoughts over the next few months in terms of how I like these products. So if you like these kind of videos, please, of course, check out my Sephora haul of the hair care and skincare products that I made as well. And if you want future videos like this, or if any video ideas, let me know. Please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel to help support my new YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.